This is a magic moment because it's the start of something fantastic. Manufacturing of big and very powerful electrolyzers that make hydrogen here in Estonia, here in Tallinn.
Yeah, I think this is only the beginning, really. Like with this facility over here, we can produce up to 140 megawatts of electrolyzers per year. But in 5 years, we want to be able to produce many, many more. And this factory that we're opening today here will be kind of like a blueprint for what is to come. So with this team that we have gathered at Stargate, we can make impossible possible. And I think this is in general the case. Like if you really want to and you're focused on something, then it's possible. And I think this factory is like a good example of that.